I went online to find some assistance with hooking up a printer, and I saw eGeniuses, gave a call, spoke with the representative, and he came when he said he would and found some things that were wrong that we didn't recognize. And so not only did we have our printer installed correctly, but we subscribed to a 6-month program of protection against antivirus and anti-spyware. I'm very pleased with the organization, and I recommend it without reservation.